Ordering pizza.
Hello. Is this Mario's Pizza?
Yes, it is. How can I help you?
I'd like to order a large pizza for delivery.
Sure. Which pizza would you like?
Can I have a pepperoni pizza with extra cheese?
Anything else on it? Onions, mushrooms, or peppers?
No, just pepperoni and cheese, please.
Would you like any side dishes?
Do you have garlic bread?
Yes, we have plain garlic bread or with cheese.
One garlic bread with cheese, please.
And for drinks? We have Coke, Sprite, and water.
2 cans of Coke, please.
Okay. What is your address?
It's 12 North Street, Apartment 5.
Is that near the Central Park?
Yes, exactly.
What is your phone number?
It's 077-1234-567.
The total comes to $28.
How long will it take?
It should be there in about 30 to 40 minutes.
Can I pay by cash or card?
Both are fine. Our driver has a card machine.
Perfect. Thank you.
Thank you for your order. Goodbye.
Discussing the weather.
Wow, it's really pouring outside.
I know. I'm so glad we are inside.
Did you see the forecast this morning?
Yes, they said it will rain all day today.
That's a shame. I wanted to go for a run.
You can go tomorrow. The weather will be much better.
Really? Will it be sunny?
Yes, sunny and quite warm. Around 22 degrees.
That's perfect. I love spring weather.
Me too. Summer is often too hot for me.
I agree. Last year it was 40 degrees in July.
That was terrible. I stayed in my room with the AC all day.
Do you like snow in the winter?
It looks beautiful, but I hate driving in it.
Can be dangerous, but the kids love it.
They do. My niece loves building snowmen.
Look, the rain is stopping a little bit.
Oh, you're right. But the sky is still very gray.
I think I see a rainbow over there.
Where? Oh, yes. It's beautiful.
I'll make some hot tea. Do you want some?
That sounds lovely. Thank you, Ben.
No problem. Let's enjoy the view.
Buying fruit at the market.
Good morning. Looking for some fresh fruit?
Yes, the apples look very good. How much are they?
They are $2 a kilo.
I'll take 2 kilos, please.
Anything else? These oranges are very sweet today.
Let me try one. Oh, you're right. Give me 5 oranges.
Sure. Would you like some bananas?
No, I still have some at home. But I need some grapes.
The green ones or the red ones?
The red ones, please. 1 bag is enough.
Here you go.
How much are the strawberries?
$4 a box. They were picked this morning.
They look very fresh. I'll take 1 box.
Anything else? Lemons? Pineapple?
Just 1 lemon, please. For my tea.
Okay. That's everything.
Yes, how much is the total?
Let me see, that's $12.50.
Can I pay with a 10 and some coins?
Yes, that's fine.
Here you go. 10, 11, 12, and 50.
Thank you. Here are your bags.
Thanks. Have a good day.
You too. Come back soon.
In the kitchen.
What are you cooking, Mark? Smells great.
I'm making a vegetable pasta for dinner.
Do you need any help?
Yes, please. Can you chop the onions?
Sure. Where is the knife?
It's in the drawer next to the sink.
Found it. Should I chop them small?
Yes, very small, please.
Ouch. My eyes are starting to water.
That's the problem with onions.
What else goes into the sauce?
Garlic, tomatoes, and some basil.
Do we have any cheese?
Yes, there is some Parmesan in the fridge.
Should I grate it now?
Wait until the pasta is almost ready.
Is the water boiling yet?
Yes, it is. I'll put the pasta in now.
How long does it take to cook?
About 8 minutes. We like it al dente.
Can I set the table?
Yes, please. 2 plates and 2 glasses.
Do you want some wine with dinner?
No, just water is fine for me.
Okay. Dinner will be ready soon.
At the library.
Good afternoon. Can I help you?
Hi. I'm looking for some books on European history.
Which period are you interested in?
The Renaissance, please.
Follow me. They are in the history section on the second floor.
Thank you. Can I borrow more than 3 books?
You can borrow up to 5 books at a time.
That's great. How long can I keep them?
For 2 weeks. If you need more time, you can renew them online.
What happens if I return them late?
There is a small fine of 50 cents per day.
Okay, I'll be careful.
Do you have a library card?
No, I don't. How can I get one?
You just need to fill out this form and show me your ID.
I have my ID here.
Perfect. I'll make your card now.
Does the library have free Wi-Fi?
Yes, the password is on the board over there.
Can I use my laptop in the study area?
Yes, but please keep it quiet.
Of course. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Here is your card.
Thanks. See you later.